Hi, welcome to Sarco's Eastern PA showroom in this episode of Unload. Today we're going to look at another John Browning design gun. It's a 22 pump gun, better known as the Trombone. Designed in 1919, manufacturing began in 1922 and continued to 1974 with about 150,000 units produced. This is a gun that until 1970 was not imported into the United States because Remington, with their Model 12 and FN, had a gentleman's agreement they wouldn't sell competing products in each other's country. It was exported to Europe and into Canada. Now, this isn't a total 100% John Browning design. He did take the feed mechanism for the Remington Model 12, and the ejector and firing pin was from the Marlin 1897. Now, you may want to say, where was Winchester in all this? Well, Winchester, because of Browning patents, was unable to develop a pump hammerless gun until 1932 when they came out with their Model 61. In 1970, about 3,500 of these units, between 70 and 74, I should say, about 3,500 units were imported into the United States. The gun is well known throughout the world. I mean, it's a great little plinking gun. From what I've read, accuracy is not anything to be amazed about. Out to 25 yards, it's good, but it's basically a plinking gun. I can imagine you could go hunt squirrels with it or rabbits after Christmas. This particular gun, by the serial number and research I've done, was made about 1963, 1964. We can see we have a nice wood stock. Early guns, the receiver down here was squared and it did lead to some cracking of the stock. They rounded it so you wouldn't have that problem. Some interesting features of it: your release is inside the trigger guard. It comes back. What makes this design so smooth, one reason is early pump guns, when you went forward on the pump hand, the charge handle, the bolt would come up at an angle. On the Browning, you can see it comes straight up. So it does make it a little bit smoother. It has an adjustable rear sight, front sight dovetailed into the barrel. And one thing about Browning guns is attention to detail. If you look at most tube-fed 22s, the magazine tube simply twists and you pull it out. On the Browning design, it slides in and it's held in place by spring tension. Another major issue with these guns, or minor issue, depending how you look at it, is because of the thin wood used, it would crack on both the handle and the stock. This gun has no cracks in it, actually is a really nice gun with a crossbolt safety. It'll handle 11 22 longs. It'll also handle shorts, longs, and CVs along with the long rifle. Metal butt plate on the end, plain uncheckered walnut stock. You can see the wear comes on the magazine tube from the actual pump action where it comes back, hence they call it the Trombone. This would be an excellent addition to any 22 collection. Great little plinking gun. We don't see them a lot in the United States since, as I said before, it was basically a European and exported also to Canada. Other markings the gun does have, of course, is the Browning roll mark on the top. And on the receiver, we have proof marks, and on the barrel, it's also proof marked. The gun does take down. Simply loosen this. It comes apart in two pieces to make it easy to transport. Again, great addition to any 22 collection. So everyone have a great week, and we'll be back with something different to show you next week. you.